Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your voicemail on an Android phone. So there's a couple easy ways to do that. First is you open your phone app, go to the voicemail, and then along the bottom there's visual voicemail. So this is on a Pixel phone as an example, but Android phones all have this capability. They're just viewed a little bit differently depending on which one you're using. You click on voicemail there at the bottom, and you can either long hold the voicemail down and you'll see a check mark and then a trash can up top, and you can click the trash can. That'll go to your trash can. Or if you want to see what's in the voicemail, you can click on it, the visual voicemail. It will have typed out what the audio version was saying, and then there's another trash can option. You can click right there. And you may be wondering, can I recover these if I delete them? If you're using the built-in phone app on an Android phone, you're not able to recover those. I looked them up on a forum, and a Google engineer said that's not currently built in, although Google probably does have a log of that. So maybe through Help Center, you might be able to recover it. If you're using a third-party app, you may be able to recover that by looking in the trash can and pulling things out of the trash can. So that's one way to delete your voicemail, either individually like that. You can long hold multiple voicemails. You'll see multiple check marks, and then click delete the trash can up in the top right, and you can delete multiple voicemails that way. Another way you can do it if you want to listen to the voicemail is on an Android phone, for example, you just long hold the 1 key. Some of the other carriers have different ways to access the voicemail, but you go through the 1 key, listen to the voicemail. There'll be an audio menu, and on this Pixel phone, you click the 6 to delete those. So a 7 is marked as read, and a 6 will actually delete the voicemail from your phone. It used to be a 7. They keep changing these things, so just listen to the audio prompts, and you can delete them that way. So as a bonus tip for sticking around, I'll show you how to clear out your call history on your phone. So you go back into your voicemail here, into the phone app, click on voicemail, and then up on the top on the 3 dots, you can click call history right there. So it'll show you all the calls you have in your call history. Click on the 3 dots up in the top right and just clear out the call history that way. So, if you want to start fresh and clear that history out, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel and give us a like if you like the video. We'll see you again soon.